Science, the pursuit of truth. But not everything that seemed like truth was ever real. For centuries, people believed the Earth was flat. Sailing too far, you'd fall right off. And if you didn't fall, maybe a sea monster would get you. Aristotle and others suggested Earth was at the center of the universe, with planets, the sun, and stars revolving around it. A cosmic ego trip. Before explorers roamed the Earth, maps were decorated with terra incognita, unknown lands, and often filled with dragons, demons, and giant sea serpents. Ancient Greeks thought our bodies were ruled by four humors: blood, black bile, yellow bile, and phlegm. Feeling sick? They'd bleed you out to balance your humors. If you had too much black bile, you were melancholic or sad, and too much blood made you fiery and hot-headed. But it wasn't just the Greeks. In the 1700s, people thought rocks could grow and reproduce. They believed rock families slowly multiplied underground. And then there was spontaneous generation, where maggots supposedly appeared from decaying meat, born from nothing. Alchemy, the quest to turn lead into gold. Mystics and scholars hunted for this philosopher's stone. People spent lifetimes mixing potions and chemicals in hope of striking gold. Even Sir Isaac Newton was a fan of alchemy, filling journals with cryptic recipes and symbols. Speaking of strange beliefs, people thought witches were behind bad crops, illness, and anything unexplained. This led to witch hunts, trials, and, well, some dark history. Astrology was once considered a genuine science, and people believed the stars controlled our fate. In the 1800s, doctors diagnosed women with hysteria for everything from stress to sadness. Their treatment? Odd devices and bizarre prescriptions. Phrenology claimed to read personality by feeling the skull. Large forehead? Intelligent. Small one? Less so. Scientists once believed in the luminiferous ether, an invisible substance filling space. Einstein's theory of relativity shattered that myth for good. In the late 1800s, scientists saw canals on Mars and assumed Martians, an entire civilization imagined from telescope smudges. Electric belts claimed to shock you into health and fitness. An early attempt at the modern gym? Maybe. Radium was once added to everything. Drinks, cosmetics, even toothpaste. People thought it gave them energy until they got very sick. Comets were feared as omens of disaster. Kings, plagues, wars, all tied to comets. A cosmic warning or just a passing rock? Eclipses were also terrifying until they realized it was just the moon. Leeches were thought to cure diseases. Doctors used them by the jarful. Leeches are still used today, but more scientifically. Some theorized Earth was hollow, with secret societies or even civilizations inside. Science is an evolving journey, and truth sometimes has detours. What will we discover next? Subscribe for more discoveries that challenge reality.